Meet Ralph. By day, he's a manager at a training company. And by night, Ralph sleeps. His fellow trainers are wondering, what's his secret? Ralph has his own butler. Or rather, he has Workshop Butler, a training management system for training companies that takes care of all of his trivial tasks. Workshop Butler incorporates all the tools a training manager needs into a single, easy-to-use system. Show us, Ralph! Ralph adds a trainer to his team with just a few clicks. He easily creates new events and workshops and adds descriptions and tickets. Thanks to Workshop Butler's integration with Ralph's website, he can process registrations and payments on his page. When it's time to start a workshop, Ralph takes attendance. Everything is set up, and Ralph can go do something else. Workshop Butler will automatically request feedback from students and send out certificates. And there's more. Ralph always knows which trainers are most effective because Workshop Butler prepares reports and ratings specifically for him. This is why Ralph has enough free time for the things he enjoys. Workshop Butler serves you well.